Have you ever walked in a room and couldn't figure where to place your eyes? It is because the room did not have a focal point. In a space, the eye should have a place to land and rest. A room with a focal point has magic. Remember, you can shape the story you want your space to tell with providing the eyes with a guide, a landing place. What the eye sees should put you at ease. When this is achieved, a room becomes comfortable and welcoming. Some rooms can have an architectural feature such as windows with a good view and a fireplace that can be highlighted. A space that does not grace the dwellers with a built-in feature, a workaround is to create a focal point with an art piece or a gallery wall. If a window does not have a good view, conceal it. Manually create a new focal point to draw the eyes away from the window. A furniture arrangement around the focal point is what will help the room stand out and then make it feel relaxed.